Joseph Woodward Fidler, or Joseph Fidler Walsh, professionally known as Joe Walsh, is an American guitarist, singer, and songwriter. He was born on 10th of November in 1947. Today is celebrating his birthday of 77 years. He is best known as member of Ringo. His 5-decade career includes solo work and stint in other bands, James Gang, Ringo Starr and his All-Starr band, and New Zealand's Herbs. He was a part of supergroup The Best and had success as solo artist and prolific session musician, appearing on the artist's records. In 2011, Rolling Stone ranked him number 54 on the list of 100 great guitarists of all time. Walsh, in the mid-60s, after attending Kent State University, Walsh played with several local Ohio bands before reaching national fame with the James Gang, whose hit Funk 49 showcased his skill. Walsh has released 12 solo studio albums, 6 compilation albums, and 2 live albums. His solo hits include Rocky Mountain Way, Life Has Been Good, All Night Long, A Life of Illusion, and Ordinary Average Guy. Besides his successful career in music, he also acted in a movie like 1971 Zachary film by George England, The Blues Brother in 1980, and The Best DVD with Keith Emerson, Jeff Brickster, Joe Walsh, John Etwest, Simon Phillips in 1990. He also acted in television shows such as Mad TV, Promised Land, Tukeman, The Drew Carey Show, Wicked City, Criminal Minds, Better Things as himself, The Corners, which is his recent release in 2022. Joe Walsh's award as member of Ringo. Walsh has won 5 Grammy Awards, Record of the Year in 1977, Best Arrangement for Voices in a New Kid in Town in 1977, Best Rock Vocal Performance by Duo and Group, Heart Right Tonight in 1979, Best Rock Vocal Performance in 2008, Best Pop Instrument Performance in 2009. He was inducted into Rock Hall of Fame in 1998, and in 2001 he was inducted into Vocal Group Hall of Fame. Wishing happy birthday to Joe Walsh. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any suggestion, write the comment. For information was posted by Wikipedia. Uyu munsi ni isabukuru y'amavuko ya Joe Walsh, akaba yagize isabukuru y'imyaka 77. Amazina yiswe n'ababyeyi ni Joseph Woodward Fidler, aza kuyahindura yitwa Joseph Fidler Walsh, akaba yaramenyekanye nka Joe Walsh. Umunyamerika w'umucuranzi wa gitari, umuririmbyi ndetse akaba yandika n'indirimbo. Yamenyekanye muri tsinda rya band yaririmbagamo rya Ringo, ndetse nyuma yaho aririmbira no mu yandi atandukanye nka James Gang, Ringo Starr, Hit All Stars n'izindi nyinshi. Mu mwaka w'ibihumbi 2011 ikinyamakuru Rolling Stone cyo muri Amerika cyamushize ku mwanya 54 mu bacuranzi 100 babayeho ku isi. Walsh yatangiye iby'umuziki avuye muri kaminuza ya Kent State, atangira kujya aririmbira ndetse anacurangira amabande atandukanye yo muri Ohio. Yagiye atsindira ibihembo byinshi, harimo nk'uko yatwaye Grammy Award inshuro 6 ari kumwe n'itsinda rye rya Eagles. Naho mu mwaka w'ibihumbi 2001 yashyizwe muri Vocal Group Hall of Fame. Naho mu mwaka w'1998 ashyirwa muri Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Akoze kubana nanjye, nagusaba like na subscribe y'umenya makuru agezweho. Itekerezo cyangwa inyunganizi wanyandikira muri comment. Urakoze ugira ibihe byiza.